Hello, fellow travelers. Today we're going on an adventure to Faisalabad, a vibrant city in the heart of Pakistan. Get ready to be amazed by its unique charm and uncover the hidden gems that make it so special. Known as the Manchester of Pakistan, Faisalabad is a bustling hub of industry and culture. Faisalabad pulsates with energy. The streets are alive with activity. The people are warm and welcoming. It's a city that embraces you with open arms. Join me as we delve into the heart of Faisalabad and discover its secrets. Let's soak in the atmosphere, try the local delicacies, and immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of Faisalabad's heritage. From its bustling bazaars to its historical landmarks, Faisalabad promises an unforgettable experience. Are you ready? Let's go! Faisalabad is a powerhouse. It's one of Pakistan's largest industrial centers. Why is it called the Manchester of Pakistan? Because of its massive textile industry. Faisalabad's textile mills produce fabrics that are renowned worldwide. But it's not just textiles. Faisalabad's industries are diverse. They manufacture everything from chemicals to machinery to metalwork. The city thrives on innovation and hard work. It's inspiring to see. Faisalabad is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit of the Pakistani people. The city is a shining example of how industry can uplift communities and drive economic growth. It's a reminder that progress happens when people work together. Faisalabad is a city steeped in history and culture. It's a place where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. The city's streets whisper tales of ancient civilizations and colonial influences. Faisalabad's cultural scene is vibrant and diverse. The city is home to numerous art galleries, museums, and cultural centers. Traditional music and dance performances are a regular occurrence, showcasing the rich artistic heritage of the region. One of the most captivating aspects of Faisalabad is its people. The locals are known for their warmth, hospitality, and love for their city. Engaging with them is a true delight. They are always eager to share their stories and traditions. Every city has its landmarks, and Faisalabad's most iconic landmark is the magnificent clock tower. Standing tall in the heart of the city, it's a symbol of Faisalabad's unity and progress. The clock tower was built in 1905 during the British colonial era. Its intricate architecture is a sight to behold. The clock tower is a popular gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. It's a place where people come to relax, socialize, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of the city. The clock tower is more than just a landmark. It represents the heart and soul of Faisalabad. It's a testament to the city's rich history, cultural heritage, and enduring spirit. Get ready for a sensory overload! Faisalabad's bazaars are a whirlwind of colors, scents, and sounds. They are the lifeblood of the city. The bazaars are a treasure trove of unique finds. You can find everything from traditional handicrafts to the latest fashion trends. One of the most famous bazaars is the Rail Bazaar. It's a shopper's paradise. You can find fabrics, clothing, jewelry, and so much more. Be sure to bargain with the friendly vendors. It's all part of the experience. Another must-visit is the Chiniot Bazaar. It's known for its exquisite woodwork and furniture. The craftsmanship is incredible. You'll be amazed by the intricate designs and the quality of the products. Foodies, get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Faisalabad is a culinary paradise. The city is renowned for its rich and flavorful cuisine. From savory dishes to sweet treats, there's something to satisfy every palate. One of the must-try dishes is the famous nihari. It's a slow-cooked stew made with tender meat, spices, and bone marrow. It's typically enjoyed for breakfast, but is delicious any time of day. For lunch or dinner, be sure to sample the sarson ka saag and makki ki roti. It's a traditional Punjabi dish made with mustard greens and cornbread. It's a hearty and flavorful meal that will leave you feeling satisfied. And no culinary journey through Faisalabad is complete without indulging in some sweet treats. Be sure to try the gulab jamun and jalebi. These sugary delights are